just gonna. Okay, are you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. You're gonna. This is called a straight stitch. You're not gonna have the edging around here. You're just gonna see this. And I use that in smaller pieces or pieces that are behind. If there's a lot of curve in it, or show like the small lips and the eyes, I would do the straight stitch. It's like tacking down, but it's called a straight stitch. So you notch your thread, come up underneath, inside the applique about 1/8 of an inch from the edge, come up, and then just go down on the very edge, so that you're tacking it in onto your backing. And you want to keep the stitches fairly close. You can, as long as you're uniform, that is good. Now, when you come to like curves, you might have to come closer to the bottom of the stitch, and then make it a little bit wider at the top going down, so that
You're more pie shaped than.
yep, make it so that it looks better, because you're following a small curve, and you're not going to have the same distance from here to the edge as you are from, if it was all one piece like this round here, you have the same distance around. But up here, you're going a smaller curve, and you're going to have to work from more of a central point. So on a curve, a small curve like this, your stitches are going to be closer here and wider out here. And as you keep getting to do this, you'll know what looks good. And then when you're done, you just tack it on the back. Now with this flower here, I'm going to tack this down, and then I'm probably going to do the same straight stitch, but I would come over and put the petals as the top, and I would tack them down here with purple. I'm thinking that would look better, because this looks to be the back side. You want the top over anything that's to the back. And the stars here, I wouldn't do the blanket stitch on them because they're small. I would do the straight stitch on them. This brim here, I would do the straight stitch, and I might do a blanket stitch around the hat, so it kind of stands out more. And the cat, I will do a blanket stitch, just a straight stitch on the nose. Here, like I said, I did just a contrast so you could see it better. And you can do this. You can use a lot of dark to make it stand out. And but more likely, most time I would use matching color. And here on these, I won't do a blanket stitch. I will do a straight stitch. Okay, straight stitch on these leaves too. And the cat is inside the pumpkin, so I'm going to want to put my pumpkin over the top here so that it looks like it's in front and the cat is behind. Okay, the end. Good.